Today I want to show you a fantastic tool that grants free API access to top open source AI models like GLM5.2, Kimi 2.6, DeepSeek version 4, and many others. First, we will access a platform called TokenGo to secure 2.5 million free tokens and 5 starting credits, which are instantly credited to our new free account. Without needing any credit card or spending a single dollar, you will easily access these free AI models, which we will then run inside our open or local code editor to test their capabilities at absolutely zero cost. First, we will examine security tokens, walk through the configuration settings, and learn how to safely obtain and implement your unique API access key. Your first step is searching for TokenGo. First, search for TokenGo. Click the first link and access the self-operated inference on their market floor. After navigating to the website, you can see the primary user interface or layout of TokenGo. First, let's enlarge this window so we can view the model's enterprise pricing and retrieve our API key here. Upon signing up, look at the top to see your 5 free test credits. No credit card required. These options include the Kimi 2.6 and GLM5.2, two of today's most popular and effective models. That's DeepSeek version 4 Pro 5.1. Here we have DeepSeek version 4, Flash and Minimax M2.5. Apply those credits to run these specific models. Choosing DeepSeek version 4 Pro unlocks a massive limit of 5 to 10 million tokens, which are units of text. Let's begin. First, we will click on the Get Started button. First, let's set up our account by signing in with Google or GitHub. To proceed, select your Google credentials. Click on the account, and the login is complete. Account created successfully. Now that your new account is set up, you can see the full list of models they currently offer. Now, let's verify our API key in the billing playground. First, you can create an API key here, within your user profile. Then use that key. Now, let's navigate to the billing section where you can view your available account credit. Get $5 in credit and 2.5 million free tokens. First, we will generate our API key, a secure passcode, and insert it into our AI agent. Now, let's generate a new API key, label it Free Tokens, and click the Create button. Our API key is located right here. Next, copy this API key. Next, click the 3-dot options menu to copy your unique API access code. With the API key generated, let's implement it next. You can easily connect various AI tools like KiloCode to the TokenGo website. But I'm going to use OpenCode for this demonstration. First, let's open the OpenCode step application. Although you can use their VS Code extension, the command line CLI tool, the desktop application, or the integrated KiloCode client, I will go ahead and launch this particular option for our tutorial today. That wraps up OpenCode AI's standalone GUI, or visual app. I'm going to delete this active session. Next, I'm going to head back to the Settings menu. First, open your settings and select the Providers tab. Although you see the common providers listed here, we will select this Custom Provider option instead. First, we need to delete this Morpha object here. Next, navigate to the Custom Provider section and click this Connect button. We'll call this TokenGo. Next, simply copy the base URL, which is a starting web address. Head over to the Model Plaza library and choose one of these 3D designs. In version 4 Pro, scroll down to find the base URL, which is the main web address, and let's copy it. Now, paste the main address here. Next, paste your API key in this bottom field. Now let's head back to the API key section. Next, paste the API key you just copied into this field. Let's return to the Model Plaza to retrieve the model's name. Go ahead and select the specific model you want to use. Let's choose the Pro 4 version here. Next, we will copy the model's name here. Now go ahead and copy this model name. Go back to this field, paste the model ID, and then simply enter DeepSeek version 4 to finish up. Feel free to insert another model here. Although you can add multiple AI models to your setup list, I'm going to select this specific one for our demonstration. For those who want to use a different AI model, like this Kimi K2.6, simply copy the name of the model here. Now navigate here to insert the model, ID, and this field. Enter Kimi K2.6 and submit to establish the connection. Next, take a look at this toggle switch at the very end. Next, let's scroll down to select Token Go as our service provider. Inside the Token Go provider interface, we see two AI models, DeepSeek version 4 and Kimi K2.6. Let's select the DeepSeek version 4 option. Notice how we can easily toggle the assistant between build and plan modes. By selecting Plan, we transition into this planning phase, allowing us to initiate the conversation by just sending a friendly hello. Observe this. Hello, how can I help you today? Code a JavaScript function. Observe the speed here as it prompts us for a JavaScript function, asking exactly what type we want to build. Which do you need? A helper utility function or a DOM function? You can easily configure it this way for. Paste the code, hit enter, and compare. Between the debounced function and depart merge, which do you prefer? Just select one of these options to let the system automatically build your function. That covers the process for claiming your 5 credits and 2.5 million free tokens on the Token Go site. This explained how to use the software and set up its configuration. You can run OpenCode via the command line tool or work directly within the VS Code editor.